This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to dye your sinamay. Dyeing your sinamay, you need your sinamay. It can be half, it can be a yard, it can be more than a yard. We have nylon dye. This nylon dye is original dye and it comes in different color. You can get the color of the dye that you want. Then we have a local dye. A local dye is tied inside nylon and it has different type of color. But local dye, you can use it to mix another color that will give you different color entirely. Today I'm going to use orange local dye. But I said you can use nylon or local, but I'm using local dye, orange. This orange local dye can also give you peach color with light water. Let's start. You need a bowl of water. This is a bowl of water. Take your local dye or nylon dye, and the water that you need to mix the dye is 100 cl. 100 cl. And take your dye, open it. You can use your glove and you can use your rolling stick to turn it. I've poured the dye. In dyeing your color or dyeing your paper mat or sinamay, you will take your sinamay, this is sinamay, fold it. If the bowl is not big enough to hold everything, then use your rolling stick to turn the dye. You can use hot water or cold water to mix your dye. If you are using hot water, you boil the water, pour it inside the bowl, pour your dye and turn it and dip your sinamay. And you can use cold water to mix your dye. I said you can use your glove or use your turning stick to turn it. I've dipped the sinamay. Look at it, then you'll be turning it in order for the dye to enter it if you are using cold water. The same thing with hot water. If you use hot water, it will catch up easily. The dye will come out fast. But if you are using cold water, you need to be turning it until it gives you the color that you want. And at times you can put a pinch of salt if you are using local dye, so that it will not fade away or wash away. Then after doing it like this, remove it and spread it and let it dry. This is how to dye your sinamay. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.